welcome, good afternoon. And we bring you live action on day 4 of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. Match number 5 coming up shortly between defending champion Ratnagiri Jets and PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. The toss, as you all know, Kolhapur Tuskers won the toss and elected to field. Skipper Rahul Tripathi had no doubt at all. With overcast skies, he was very certain that he's going to bowl first. That's a first look at the Kolhapur Tuskers lineup. Rahul Tripathi, Ankit Bhavne, experienced campaigners there. Shrikant Munde there. Rajneesh Gurbani as well has been an experienced bowler. Very honest operator with the ball. At the other end, Ratnagiri Jets, the defending champion, have had 2 successive losses and have made 1 change to their lineup. Prathamesh Gowde coming in for Kunal Thorat as the skipper confirmed. The 2 batters getting ready, and for Kolhapur Tuskers as well. First game, they've watched every other team put their best foot forward so far in the competition, including the teams in the Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. They'll have a fair idea of what to expect from this particular contest. Rajneesh Gurbani, experienced campaigner, will kick off proceedings. It's a nice way to kick off proceedings as run in to deliver the first delivery of match number 5. Oh, very well bowled. This time wrapped on the pads, huge appeal, given. And Dheeraj Fatangre has immediately reviewed it. As Fatangre walks off for 2, it's 3 for 1. Just LBW by Atman Pore and Preetham Patil. Huge appeal and given. Preetham Patil is unsure.
In front of the wicket, I think so. He shouldn't have doubts in walk.
Original is out, pitching outside off, impact in line. Wickets is umpire's call. We will go back on field to Parashar.
Second wicket done. Preetham Patil's gone for 1. It's 4 for 2. Ratnagiri Jets. Batters, and they have made no headway whatsoever here. Preetham Patil was just dismissed. Clean bowled. Third strike here. Abhishek Pawar has been dismissed. Fantastic.
It's played on. It was a fuller delivery. He was trying to push it through covers, but he played it on.
So Abhishek Pawar has been dismissed for 1. It's 4 for 3. And there's just 4 runs on the board. Divyang Hinganekar is the new man in. And he joins his skipper Azim Khan. Chasing a wide one. Just not done.
Not needed at this stage of the game.
Okay. Please freeze it here. Okay, the ball is outside the wide guideline. It's a wide ball. We will go on field.
Still waiting. Yes, it's a wide.
Some pacers they have.
Up, up and away. That's the first boundary of the innings.
Later on too. 2 of those 3 wickets were on this umpire's call, and this is a very good shot. Again,
The second match, unfortunately, was out for a golden duck, but this time he muscles it away again, straight back the bowler. Another boundary for Azim Kazi. goes for the big stroke, Azim Kazi, and gets maximum result. Deposits it into the stands. The first six for Azim Kazi.
Shot, he's got plenty of bat on that. This is a nice little partnership that's building and they're constructing.
ये जाने भी जाते हैं. बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर फुल टॉस गेम उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया. बैक टू बैक छक्का आया.
He's given that a good swing. How far? Far enough. Well into the stands. Works really well in the middle overs. Right on cue. Oh, what a piece of fielding. No!
पहले विदर्भा के लिए खेलते थे. कमाल की शुरुआत थी. ये बड़ा शॉट. ये गया स्टैंड में. ये दूसरा छक्का लगातार.
He goes for one more. The biggest of the lot. Divyang.
फील्डिंग में बदलाव किया है. ये पुनः यहाँ पर बड़ा शॉट. ये चौथा छक्का इस ओवर का. बैक टू बैक 4 सिक्सेस. दिव्यांग हिंगड़ेकर कमाल कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. 50 रन पूरे यहाँ पर 22 गेंदों में सिर्फ. पहली बार ये हुआ है 4 सिक्सेस महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग में. बैक टू बैक 4 सिक्सेस. मैंने प्रेडिक्ट किया है 6 भी हो सकते हैं.
This is just unreal stuff. He's got Rahul Tripathi worried. He's got all the Tuskers T20 batting and it's gotten the Ratnagiri Jets dug out on their feet.
इस ओवर में 24 रन आ चुके हैं. और ये पांचवा सिक्स. दिव्यांग हिंगड़ेकर went to the stands. काफी कैच है यहाँ पर. बड़ा है, बढ़िया कैच. बड़ी बाउंड्री. वहां पर श्रेयस चौहान ने विकेट ला के दी है. वो भी दिव्यांग हिंगड़ेकर की शॉर्ट गेंद थी और ये बाउंड्री काफी लंबी है. 75 से ज्यादा मीटर की.
Anand Tenge was at deep mid wicket. He stayed back, took a few steps backwards and then realized that the ball was dropping on him and made that lunge forward. Excellent shot for the Kolhapur Tuskers, but we've been witness to a
It's like a freebie.
Out of the screws, up in the air, enough hang time for the fielder, settles underneath it and latches onto it more importantly.
Bowled up there, short of length, but didn't get the elevation as it struck the bottom of the bat, but went very high up. And that was a good catch in the end. Very good catch and tween. But now Kiran Chormale goes for 5. Ratnagiri Jets 102 for 5.
In the spot, the simple ones can be often shelled. They've been all right out the screws. There is a fielder sweeper cover. Misfields this one. Oh my goodness, that is not a good account of any fielding coach. Makes room off the middle of the bat and that stays hit. Evades the fielder at. Oh, that's been clubbed by Kazi. Just evades the diving fielder at.
Where this ball goes, where this ball strikes. Strikes it really well. Fantabulous shot, that one. Gets it in his slot innings. Bowled up. Gets a good sweep at that. And there she goes. Beautiful shot, that one by Azim Kazi. The bowler is not very happy.
Ingenuity, power meets precision, but taken. What a catch that is by the fielder.
Does rank outside the leg stump, but then you try to play this kind of a shot at this moment, and that was a beautiful catch by Gurbani. When you run behind and then take a catch, it's always good. 27 and Ratnagiri Jets are 136 for 6.
Has been subbed out and in comes Sahil Churi. As I welcome my fellow commentators Nilesh.
और दुनिया जानती है 7 नंबर का जर्सी कौन पहनता है. ये 4 रन मिल जाएंगे. निखिल की ये ताकत है.
गौर से देखिए हमारे साथी कमेंटेटर मानविंदर बिस्ला के चेहरे को. That's out of here. In the stand, Youth 6, End of over number 19. It's 160 for.
अच्छे आएंगे। ये फुल टॉस गेंद, बढ़िया गेंद, लेकिन तेजी से जाएंगी और 4 रन।
Oh, 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 oh.
Is ready, all set for him. पुल करने की कोशिश एज लगती हुई, लेकिन गेंद जाएगी, ये भी सीमा पार।
Oh,
And
Nilesh.
winner is Nilesh Nathu.
Change in pace a bit and completely missed that one. And that's wicket.
था लगी तो छगी, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं मराठी में, लगी अगर लग गई तो दूर गई करते हैं वहां पे।
Yes, early breakthroughs for Kolhapur Tuskers.
निखिल के बड़े शॉट्स, इसी वजह से 173 बन गए हैं।
That's trail too, but when PPG Kolhapur Tuskers started bowling the first over, no one thought.
173 for 7. So Kolhapur Tuskers need 174 to win. Pradeep Dade to start our proceedings.
मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है भाई, कितने सालों से लगातार हर सीजन में हर फॉर्मेट में रन बनाते आ रहे हैं, और देखिए ये जिस तरीके की नहीं है।
That's off with a wide as Pradeep Dade.
इसी वजह से वो आवाज आई थी।
जबरदस्त, बेहतरीन, लाजवाब। इस बार सीधे down the ground. What a way to end the fight. So tremendously well. Striking 5 sixes, 5 successive. No.
बनी है।
Huge appeal given. Rahul Tripathi can't believe it. Took a bit of time. Was not sure.
Yes. Frame by frame now. Yes. Definite pad first. Definite pad first. Can we have ball tracking? Okay. Pitching outside leg. Pitching outside leg. We will go back on field to not out.
And see, to add a lot of salt to injury. Huge appeal. I just called that one. Huge appeal.
Okay. Ball is close to the bat. Can we have sound sense? Okay. Pitching outside off, impact in line, wickets is missing. We will go back on field to Parashar.
and 1-2. Ticket signal.
Parashar, you are.
फिर बोलो क्या करता है, शॉट डालने की कोशिश करता है, जैसे कि यहाँ डाली है, और कितना बढ़िया शॉट भी मारा है।
इसी से की हिस्ट्री में कमाल का शॉट यहाँ पर राहुल त्रिपाठी का, इनका फेवरेट जोन है ये। 6 रन के लिए सिर्फ दिशा दिखाई फॉर विदर्भा। यह अंकित बाव ने आउटस्टैंडिंग शॉट है, शॉर्ट बॉल इसके जगह पर हवे में गेंद यहाँ पर, और ये बड़ी विकेट यहाँ पर। राहुल त्रिपाठी आउट हो गए। सत्यजीत बचाओ हमेशा, और मिस टाइम हुआ। बैट फुट पे बॉल थोड़ा सा रुक के आया, शॉट एक्स्ट्रा कवर के हाथ में। किरण चोरमाड़े
Batter of the opposition. He departs for 32. The Tuskers 53 for 1.
दिखती हैं। बहुत बड़ा शॉट लगाया यहाँ पे, काफी।
ये तीसरा लगातार साल है जब आप टीम के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं एज हेड कोच। कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है। जैसे जैसे एमपीएल हो रहा है, क्राउड और बाकी का एटमॉस्फेयर भी अच्छा
is not striking as beautifully as he would have liked, but this time Sachin has said that I'll stand true. Betareen stroke, Sachin does back-to-back sixes.
Wow. And that. How about that? Predetermined, you'd say, but it's come off, and how? Goes towards the.
एक्सपीरियंस है इनके पास, और ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर है, सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में। अजीम काजी ने कैच पकड़ा, फिर रत्नागिरी जेट्स के लिए।
Sachin thus, he wanted to go big again. He had already muscled a 6 of Divyang Hingnekar's first ball to make his way back for 35. Kolhapur Tuskers 122 for 2. सिद्धार्थ मात्रे मैदान में मौजूद बाएं हाथ के ये खिलाड़ी नंबर 4 पे आए हैं बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए.
Shuffles across, exquisitely lofted, and that is going to be a half century, a crucial one for Ankit here.
अपनी टीम के लिए अर्धशतक बनाते हुए सबसे ज्यादा रन बनाए हैं उन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए. 13 डॉट गेंद खेली हैं.
Strong, lofted, fielder takes it with ease eventually, and that is going to be curtains for the half centurion Ankit Bhavne, and what a crucial wicket this becomes.
और जो टीम का प्लान था ना, दिव्यांग था अपनी टीम के लिए, पहले ही चल के ऑफ स्टंप के काफी बाहर आ गए थे, लेकिन फिर भी वो लाइन में कोई बदलाव नहीं आया दिव्यांग के, और अच्छा कैच भी पकड़ा वहां पे, क्योंकि बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कैच था. ऐसा बल्लेबाज था जो अच्छी रन बनाया अपनी टीम के लिए 46 गेंदों में. वापसी कर रहे हैं इस मुकाबले में, और अंपायर ने धनराज शिंदे आए हैं, और
Invention up in the air, and it travels the distance.
थोड़ा सा चल के आए थे ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर. ओहो, क्या शॉट मारा, अभी देख के मजा आ गया. जब ऐसे शॉट मारते चौके,
Goes down does Siddharth, up in the air, and it travels the distance.
कोशिश नहीं थी वहां.
Oh, guided, evades the fielder at short third, make that the third boundary of this over.
आउट करना होगा यहाँ पे. गेंद अच्छी थी, बिल्कुल जड़ में थी, लेकिन खोद के निकाला सिद्धार्थ ने. 4 और जोड़.
Siddharth goes for glory, and the Tuskers charge to victory in their opening match of the Adani MPL. What a knock! Take a
विनिंग शॉट देखिए, स्लॉट में ही थी गेंद, उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाया और गेंद को सीधा स्टैंड में भेजा है.
जबरदस्त जीत, बेहतरीन जीत यहां पर पीवीजी कोल्हापुर टस्कर्स के लिए. महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट कमाए यहां पर टीम ने अपने पहले ही मुकाबले में. What a start to their campaign. Ankit Bhavne played his part. Total team effort with the bat as they chased down with 8 balls to spare. It's won by 7 wickets with 8 balls to spare. Let's now head to the middle.